Your unique story, our global audience. Global One Media.
Welcome to Global One Media's series of interviews where we engage with decision makers and senior leaders from diverse industries, aiming to empower you, our viewers, with the insights you need to make smart investment decisions. I am Munir Barazi, your business analyst and host, and today I am delighted to be in conversation with Greg Pendura, CEO of Regenx, a pioneering company focused on the recovery of precious metals, such as platinum and palladium, from end-of-life products. Regenx is publicly traded on the Canadian Securities Exchange under the symbol RGX, on the OTCQB as RGXT, and on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as YRS. Hello, Greg. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thank you, Munir. It's a pleasure being here.
Welcome. So, would like to get to know the company a bit better. Regenx has a commendable mission of extracting precious metals from end-of-life products. Could you elaborate on your mission and vision? And would also love to hear a bit more about the inspiration that led to the founding of Regenx.
The company itself evolved from our roots started in the mining sector, a junior mining company. We decided 8-9 years ago that we wanted to basically focus on technologies which are going to bring a greener approach to metal processing. And so through that period of time, we've developed a technology, both a chemistry technology and a process technology, where we are able to recover precious metals from end-of-life materials, over 90% recovery in a totally green, environmentally friendly manner.
This is very impressive, and your mission is very important, especially that it contributes to sustainability. But could you please delve a bit more in depth about your recovery processes and technology at Regenx and how they differentiate you from your peers? If you could also tell us a bit more about the scalability of this technology.
Sure. Presently, the only commercially viable way of extracting precious metals from most end-of-life products is smelting, and smelters got pretty stringent environmental restrictions on them now. They're busy. They're maxed out on the mining side as well. So there is no competition in the marketplace really to do what we do, and we focus on one particular segment, which allows us to not compete with smelters, but actually be in partnership with them, if you like, as we move forward, which is a pretty enviable position for us. So as I said, we'll be up until now, the only commercially viable way of doing this, of extracting precious metals in a clean technology environment.
Well, cooperation is certainly a wise strategy that can lead to better benefits for everyone. So this is very encouraging. But let's talk a bit about the demand side for your services. What sectors are you primarily targeting, and where does the demand come for the most part?
Sure. You also mentioned the factor on scalability. Our process is easily scalable. We're going to be going through a process where we'll be increasing our volumes about double on a yearly basis. We're working on our first facility at the present time. Each facility, it's based upon a modular concept. So each facility will be able to do about $100 million per year, and we can have new facilities on track in about a 9-month period of time. So very quick scalability, and we'll be speaking about some very large numbers as we move forward. The first segment that we're going to focus on is diesel catalytic converters. And the reason why we wanted to focus on diesel catalytic converters is because smelters have processing issues with the diesel, and they are basically refusing to process them. So that leaves a huge problem in the marketplace. About $21 billion annually is a overhang of diesel catalytic converters with no home to go. So primarily landfills or stockpile. And so we have a technology which is going to be able to utilize that inventory of used diesel catalytic converters and extract over 90% of the precious metals from them. So I think we're going to make a significant mark in the marketplace because of this, and we're very excited going forward.
I agree, and you're solving a real problem there. And you mentioned modularity, and I believe it certainly contributes a lot to scalability. My last question has to do with any updates or catalysts that both current and potential shareholders should pay attention to. Why is this the right moment to consider Regenx as an attractive investment opportunity?
Well, we're in the process of commissioning our first module, and it's in Tennessee in the United States, and we have a tremendous supply partner associated with us, and we're in the final stages of commissioning that first module. It should be all completed in approximately the end of July or sooner. And each module will produce 2.5 tons of diesel catalytic converters daily. Once we tell the world that that particular module is doing as per our expectations, I believe we'll be in major media outlets worldwide. We won't have any competition. It's a huge problem. It's a global problem. And we'll be the only company to be able to offer a clean tech solution to this problem. And I think our share prices are going to appreciate significantly because of that. So people who are just looking at our story now, I believe, have an extremely strong investment opportunity to make some appreciable returns on investment.
Indeed, that's a unique and very important value proposition. Greg Pendura, the CEO of Regenx, thank you so much for joining us today and sharing all of those insights and updates. We look forward to sharing more with our audience.
Thank you, Munir. It's been nice being here.